How to make money on Instagram in 2023, 14 proven strategies. If working hard and making money is the American dream, not working hard and making money is the Instagram dream. How much money can you make on Instagram? On top of that, calculating income from Instagram is complicated. If you sing a song on a reel, the sound goes viral and you get a record deal from that internet fame. Then tens of thousands of people buy tickets to your concert. Does that count as making money on Instagram? $901. The average amount of money an Instagram influencer with 1,000 to 10,000 followers can make per post, according to Business Insider. Although that is not the same for all of us, it's inspiring to see just how much someone can make through being an influencer on a social media platform. Ariana Grande, 328 million followers with an estimated average price per post of $1,510,000. How to make money on Instagram as a business. Use Instagram to showcase all the great things about your company, specifically, anytime you're having a sale. When you post something with a buyable item, the little shop icon will appear on the post, letting viewers know that it's available for purchase. Influencer marketing allows you to share your company with the creator's audience, and the creator also gets a spotlight for your audience. It's a win-win. How to make money on Instagram as a creator. For creators in the US, Instagram's Live Badges is a method of making money directly through the app. Selling advertising space on your own website, or making money from YouTube, can be super lucrative, and you can use Instagram to direct your followers to that external site. Hint: use a Linktree to make the most of that link in your Instagram bio. You can also offer tutorials or masterclasses for free and simply ask followers to tip you if they have the means. That's the method athlete at I Am Shanti uses.